Hello everyone, this is your friend Dom. Now we are going to discuss again the different uses of special products of polynomials. X and Y, it represents variables, and A, B, and C, it represents constants. Now in this case, we have a problem here. If A is 7 and B is 2, so by using this special product formula 1, where x plus a times x plus b is equal to x squared plus bracket a plus b bracket times x plus ab. So we are going to use this formula by this problem that we have here. Now if a is 7 and b is 2, so using this formula, we're gonna write it x. Our a is 7, okay, plus 7, multiply it by x plus b is 2 is equal to x squared plus, again, our a is 7 plus b is 2, this will be 2, times x plus, our a is 7, multiply it by b is 2, okay, by simplifying, x squared plus 7 plus 2, 9 times x, 9x plus 7 times 2 is 14. Okay, so this is the final answer. And the next, using the special product 2 formula, so this is the perfect square. We have x plus y squared is equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. So the problem here is if x is 2w and y is 5z. Now, x is equal to 2w, then our y is equal to 5z. Using this, so we have to place this value of x and y into the place of x and y, okay? So our y is 2w, bracket, x is 2w plus, then our y is 5z, squared is equal to x 2w squared plus 2, our x is 2w, multiply it by y, y is 5z, plus our y is 5z squared, okay? Now by simplifying, this will be 2 times 2 is 4 w squared, plus 2 times 2, 4 times 5 is 20 w z, plus square of 5 is 25 say squared, okay? So this is our final answer. Another, so in this case we're going to use the special product tree formula, which is x plus y bracket x minus y is equal to x squared minus y squared. So this is a formula of difference of 2 square, okay? The problem is if x is 3u cubed and y is 4v squared, so we're going to find the product by using this formula. X is equal to 3u cubed, then our y is equal to 4v squared. Now using this formula, our x is 3u cubed plus the y is 4v squared, bracket, x is 3u cubed minus y is 4v squared is equal to x, value of x is 3u cubed, then square minus our y is 4v squared square. So by simplifying, 3 times 3 is 9u, 2 times 3 is 6, okay, minus this one. The power, if you're going to multiply, we have 2. So we have u, 3 times 2 is u raised to 6. And then here, 4 times 4 is 16. V squared times 2 is v to the power of 4. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay, this is the product of x is 3u cubed and y is 4v squared. Okay, using the special the difference of this square special product tree. which is x plus y times x minus y is equal to x squared minus y squared. Okay guys, that's very easy. So if you learned and enjoyed this math problem, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also hit the notification bell so that you will not miss any video that will be uploaded here on my channel. Okay guys, thank you so much for coming and watching this video. See you again soon. Bye bye.